Fine. This time also I am black. And everybody, this is gonna be the final game today. And please enjoy. Oh, okay. Long time I didn't see this Joseki. Don't you care this? How about this? Don't you save? You totally ignore that, really? Oh. Do I need to exchange here? Oh, dilemma. Should I capture these? Or should I cut here? There are so many decisions. Okay, just capture first. But is it good enough? What do you think, everybody? Do you follow top European tournament? You mean the internet competition? Internet online competition? Are you talking about? Or offline competition? Okay, it's time to reduce around here. I couldn't consider for that because of I think my schedule was not really okay. And I think internet competition. Really? Yeah, now you know the internet competition. I don't know if I have to play on the internet for the World Amateur Championship. I can of course play, but I couldn't consider. Just now my reduce was successful, right? I surrounded well. And let me use AI Joseki one more time. Oh, you didn't get in 3-3? Okay. Then I take your base first. You like to jump. Okay, I like to jump to the side. But you like to jump to the center. Couple times you jump. 5th line and 7th line. Oh, this is 6th line. Yeah, okay, whatever. I'm willing to give you. It was a good trading. 3rd line, 5th line, 6th line, 4th line. Yeah, it was good for me. Tenuki, I think it seems on time. It was on time. I can Tenuki too. Here. Get territory complete here. Okay, here has done. Then let's go back to take care of my 2 stones. Are you willing to be concentrated? Okay, you said yes, then it's fine. And then still I have to go back to take care of this group. Then ask you first. I don't think you want to capture, right? Yes. Then it's clean. I nearly have 2 eyes. Oh, how can I accept this? It's really too much. Okay. I'm nice. Just I will connect those 2 groups. Time to make the RG here. Okay. Be gentle. Just go back to connect. Oh, will you connect? Sure. Then jump. Jump, 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 jump. Last game should be much tough. If it jumps, should I separate? Which way is better? Okay, last game. Last game, I should take the risk. Ignore. Answer. Hey brother, do you know I'm trying to capture your group? Now I'm trying to kill your group. What if white plays Q13? Here, then need to block. And let him make the RG. Tetsuji. Is it too much? Tetsuji. Tetsuji, time to use it. Block, block, block. Just keep block. Press on, press. P10, Q11. P10. You guys want to know the right hand side. If white get in any time, I cannot kill. I have to let him save there. Anytime I need to accept RG. Just I will surround him by center and let him have 2 eyes. I need to go back to other bigger place. Other place. Which is bigger than right hand side. And when he saves here, then even naturally the right lower corner is gonna be weak group. So I am willing to take the risk. Actually, it's not risk. Just having 3 stones are there is better for me, even though he makes RG right now. So definitely making RG at the right hand side is one of the biggest. I mean, not right now, later. But P10, O10, O11 looks dangerous. In case he plays a P10, even I can consider to play O11 and let him just break my corner. Sorry, it's not my corner, my side. And I can just keep go out, and when he breaks my 10 point, then I can get back something. That's one of the difficult part. You know, just knowledge, you can just think about the knowledge. My 3 stones are there. Then, even though white wanna fight there, it's supposed to be better for me, right? Yeah, but better doesn't mean I can care. Just let him get something, but after he break my right hand side, I need to get back something. Logically very easy, but I know you feel still difficult. That's why if he get in any time, I'm willing to let him save there. Not because of I'm nice, just it's necessary. He has to let, just I need to let him save there. Yeah. But your question is not weird. Actually, what you asked is what every people are afraid of. So I think many people are feeling happy for your question. It's not weird question. It's really necessary question. Sometimes, you know, we get to think like, even black plays here, still there is Aji, but what is reasonable black plays here? We get to think like that kind of a thing. Because also I was thinking about that when I was young. Bottom right group here, not yet. I can't kill this group. Because white plays a Hane and then make the I shape here, and center is open, so I can't capture yet. But of course, if he doesn't take here, then of course I will get the chance. Like now. He must save, right? Otherwise, he cannot challenge anything. Okay. He's making me happy for my last game. Yeah, he doesn't take care like this. Then, of course, I will catch up the chance. You know, now white is going to be in danger. You misread, brother, right? You thought that this connect is Sente, but it's not. So sad. Are you gonna continue? And now it's time to kill. If he doesn't take care here. Yeah. Now I think if white wanna save, he can Hane, block. Maybe make the Ko. Ko is the best. Okay, thank you for the game. It was a great game to me. Yeah. I hope you enjoyed it too. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Sorry. How come? My setting is horrible. Okay. Okay. I haven't been seeing this Joseki for a long time. And then when you keep push up here, it seems a bit happy to get here. But the problem is this is getting weaker. So I think it was too much. Even there is a cutting point and he decided to just throw this away. But seems like it's not bad. I'm not sure whether I need to play more active than this. But I thought this was good enough. And he even approached the one space here. Normally one space approach is a bit worse than knight's move approach. You can just simply compare it. What if he plays here and here? Even we just use the same Joseki. Black's territory size is less than just now, but if he plays one space approach, Black's territory is much bigger than just now. And there is also monkey jump here, and there it doesn't mean there is clean. So that was reason why we don't really prefer to use the one space approach there. Yeah, here is quite difficult for white. If he pushes here, I was thinking to jump in here. Even there is cutting. But if he had to answer like just now, it was so happy for me, and even white cannot ignore there. In case he just ignore push is sente, and cut is gonna be sente, he can't answer this way. So he is supposed to play here. Atari here, this one. Aji is so bad now. Aji is very, very bad. This he can consider here, this here is so bad Aji. So he answer and just tenuki. I thought he's gonna play here. I just wanted to surround here. I can develop the center. When he goes out to the center, he really doesn't want to give me the center, right? But when I switch to the side, already those exchanges were a good move for me. And then when he just pushes here, I can just play here. Yeah, just now I told you that. Oh, what is reason of playing here? If white makes Aji there, I really feel annoying. Yeah, someone asked me just now, right? Black can just answer. That's it. And let him just play here and connect. Hane here, this one. Answer everything what he, and then just give him what he want. And maybe he may possible to save like this, yeah. And then when it breaks about, was I too nice? I'm not sure whether it was too nice for him or not. Even this is gonna be sente. And then when I just block here, he breaks about, I don't know, 10 point. That means after I play here, he need to invest much more step. You can just simply see that. I just go to the big place and then he can just decide to play from his single stone. Then it was much worse for me because now he will be related. He doesn't have to spend many steps at the center like just now. It's quite difficult to concept, but one thing is sure, just I go there first is better than he goes first. I go there first and then when he wanna fight, then of course my fighting condition is much better than when he start first. So I'm not afraid of him to make the Aji. And then I think black's somehow he has a big territory at the upper side, but I have a left hand side and right hand side. So now, yeah. And the final situation. Yeah, he wasn't attacking me. I think he was supposed to just escape as fast as possible. But when he saves here, he cut me, but my stepping is faster than him. That's why that was a big trouble. That means just when he has to defend, he just decided to attack. That's why white was in big trouble like now. Yeah. Yeah, after I keep go out, he just made me happy. Yeah, I had a chance to capture this group. Yeah. Okay, yeah, it was enough. Yeah. Nice game. Thank you.